All right, so this video is going to tell you how to finish this activity. So you should already have a copy of your document. Make sure that this is shared with your teacher. So if I am your teacher, you are typing in my email and sharing it. I need editing access, not just view only access. You are going to obviously watch this video, open up Google Maps here if you haven't done that already. And then we're going to answer the following questions. Now, what I'd like for you to do is work through this with me with the video. Don't just watch this entire video and then go back and try to finish this activity. When I'm doing number one, you do number one as well. So pause when you need to, but don't just watch this whole video and then go back and try to finish this activity. So the first question is asking for you to type in your home address, and then it's asking for you to give the latitude and longitude coordinates of your home. So I'm going to type in my home when I was growing up, not my home where I live now. You do this as well. Type in your address. Pause the video if you need to. And then it pulls up where you live. Perfect. Now, what I'd like for you to do is pick a point that is very close to your house. So it's not going to be exact. I can see that this little square is where my old house was, or where it is. I'm going to pick a point that's super close to it, like right there. And then down here, I see that my latitude and longitude coordinates pop up. So latitude comes first, longitude comes second. So I just clicked on the points. I'm going to copy this and paste it to the Google Doc. So those are the latitude, longitude coordinates. Again, what I did was typed in my address. I picked a point that was super close to my house. So I'm just clicking there. I clicked on the latitude, longitude down here, and then copy and pasted this into my doc. Perfect. So this is going to be different for everyone, obviously, because you guys all live in different places. So north or south is latitude. So we're thinking how far north or south above the equator we are. And then east and west, the second coordinate is your longitude. So how far east or west from the prime meridian, the line that goes up and down, how far east or west we are from that. Number 2 is asking for the coordinates of Winton Woods High School. So I'm going to type in Winton Woods High School. And again, I'll pick a point that is super close to the building. Click on the latitude, longitude coordinates right here. Perfect. Now you can just copy and paste that into your doc. That is all this is asking for. For question 3, if you have not done question 2, first of all, pause, go back to question 2. For question 3, it's asking what city is located at these coordinates. So I'm going to copy and paste these into Google Maps. So I copied. Now I'm going to clear out Google Maps and paste. And you might have to do a little bit of moving, a little bit of scrolling out or scrolling in. And then you'll see which city this is. Cincinnati. So then just type that into your Google Doc. Pause the video to do that. Okay, and then question 4 is asking, what is a city or a country that you'd like to visit? So just tell me what city or country that you would like to visit. For me, I would love to visit Rome, Italy. Oops, not typing. So the next question is asking me to find the coordinates of the city or country I'd like to visit. So I'm going to clear out my Google Maps again, type in Rome, Italy, and find my coordinates. So again, I'm in the city of Rome. I'm just going to pick a point. anywhere that's relatively close. So pick my point for Rome. And then I've got my coordinates here. Oh, and it took me to a store. Perfect. I love shopping. Then I'm just going to copy and paste those coordinates into my doc. Now, the next three are asking you to find what countries are located at certain coordinates. So I'll do the first one with you. Again, copying, clearing out Google Maps, pasting. And it takes me to some rando, I don't even know, it looks like a rock. But I'm going to scroll out, scroll out, scroll out until I find the country name. Now, the country name is going to be in big, bold letters. The cities are going to be in smaller letters, but the country name is going to be in big, bold letters. You can also find the country over here. It's going to be the last word, the last place on this line. But I know that I'm in Turkey. So I would just type in Turkey. I'd like you guys to do this for questions 7 and 8. And then when you're done, you can submit to Echo.